Okay, you have a couple options when we're talking contour, blush, highlighting, kind of the icing to our foundation, right? This is one of the easiest ones I think to use. It has the contour, the highlight, and the blush all in one, super pigmented, really great color, works for every skin tone, okay? It's awesome. If you're a professional contour, let's get you in this. Like, this is fancy. This is like a contour, bronzer, and a highlight all in one, no shimmer. This is gonna be an all matte look. One of my favorite ways though to contour is just this bronzer palette. I use it with kind of a bigger fluffy brush and just put it from the top of your ear where your fish face would be down to the corner of your eye. Right there is where it's gonna be. The idea is to kind of make a little 3 here. Anything up here on the forehead, if you have more than like 2 lines, 2 fingers, you guys, you need a little bit of contour up here just to kind of bring it down, make your face look a little more rounded. This gives you a little dimension to your face. And then right here, okay? So if you went with something like this, instead of something like this where you get your blush, you have some blush options now too, okay? We have several different colors in the terracotta blushes, which these are amazing. They're so pretty. And then we have lots of different colors in this. This one is probably my favorite. Absolutely love it. These are super pigmented, so be very careful with them, okay? Just take a little bit and go right above where your bronzer is gonna be. Right on the cheek. And then up, okay? So that's gonna be a blush. Now, when it gets too pigmented, before you put your highlight on, just kind of blend it all together, okay? See how this, it just looks very one-dimensional, very flat. This one has a little bit of, honestly, it just gives me cheekbones, and I really like that a lot, okay? So again, if you didn't go with this one that comes with a highlight, we have some options for you, all right? This is one of my favorites. It's a highlight powder. Do you see that color? It is gorgeous. And where it's gonna go is above your blush, just right here in this area right here. So I just take a fan brush and fan it right there, and then maybe a little here where you've highlighted, right there in your Cupid's bow. And then do you see that highlight? You guys, it's phenomenal. You could even do a little up here by your brow and a little underneath. And that's it. So you have lots of options to pick from. My favorite is kind of this combo with the bronzer, the highlight, and the blush. But if you're just starting out, let's talk about this. This is a product that really sold me on this company altogether, because less than 20 bucks and you get every item that you need. You can create eye looks with this, lip looks with this. You can do the same with all the other products I showed you, but this is kind of an all-in-one. I don't have to decide what colors I need. These colors look good on everyone. You're good to go, okay? So just add color, sunshine, warmth, cheekbones. You see how this side looks raised and thinner? It's like an amazing optical illusion that gives my round cheeks some like cheekbone there. Everybody needs a little cheekbone, right?